They've got the same eyes.
What?
This is very amusing. You're the first person to actually notice that besides me.
Really?
Yeah.
Look, they're both standing there and they've got like almost the same face.
They're just like, I will.
The nose part is a little different.
And all they keep saying in their head is, I'm gonna eat your soul. Yeah. Yeah. I'm waiting on you.
Oh, you're coming.
Actually, I might switch out clutch just to see if I have another one.
Oh, you know what you should do to her? You say, okay, let's battle. The only Pokemon there is you like beat one Pokemon. You will not win.
Oh, I said
This Pokemon, like Glaceon has like 900 HP. Crazy. Yeah, I didn't even train the shit out of Glaceon. When I fought Jamie, she got mad at me.
Oh, the way? I found the way to give the most, have like a level 1.
Yeah, like crazy.
Yeah, I know.